3.
Hi, Easy here. I wanted to take you through my sound test with me so you can help me out too. I'm looking for an engine sound where the engine sound is not just in the background and is the main feature sound instead. I set up 3 mics, and while I still haven't found the sound I want, I know I eventually will. For now, I have 3 different sounds I'm testing. Feel free to let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. Again, none of these 3 will be the one I keep, but one of them will possibly be the one I keep for a while I keep searching for the perfect one. For the record, I do ride with the proper gear at all times. I wasn't using my gloves because I needed my fingers available for the test. I also don't have the habit of making U-turns. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please watch until the end and please try to provide feedback. Thank you.
It didn't just happen, right?
No.
Oh, you guys working on it?
No, we're working.
I got you.
Drop it off there, and we have to just take it inside.
I thought it just happened. I'm like, what is the other car? All right, man.
That's us, it's a deal. I appreciate
All right,
it.
be safe, man.